My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below, but this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the GoHighLevel software. I've built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you, and now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my GoHighLevel affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
I've set up my Stripe account with Stripe. How do I know that it's actually working? So when I stick someone's card in, details in, that it actually goes through. Do you think I should do a test payment and put in $1 myself or?
Yeah, you could create a product for $1, charge it to your
Oh, okay.
card, see if it goes through, it'll pay you back the dollar, so it's like you're not really losing any
Yeah,
money.
no, perfect. Oh,
So
good. I just want to check before I put like a client setup fee through and it doesn't arrive.
it should be
Perfect.
working. I don't see it. If you set up your account, like you got inside the Stripe dashboard and everything, I don't think like it'd be on Stripe if the payments weren't going through. It'd be an issue with them. I don't think it'd be anything you did wrong. There will be like if you're getting an error message in your account that's like you still need to set this thing up in order to get your Stripe fully compliant, then that there probably could be something there that you need to go submit. You're like in the US, we got to submit like our EIN number and our LLC information and all that. And if you don't do
I've done
that,
all that already.
they're gonna keep bugging you about it until you do. So,
Okay.
but yeah, if you're not getting any errors, just test $1 product on yourself, and if it goes through, then you're good.
Perfect. Brilliant.
If you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free HighLevel Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.